In this video, I will show you how to assign a static IP address to your Raspberry Pi. You can configure it for both Wi-Fi and Ethernet interfaces. First, let's check which interfaces are currently active on the Raspberry Pi. Type IP space A. In the output, you can see the Ethernet 0 interface, which received the IP address ending with 225. You can see the wireless LAN interface. It also received the IP address ending with 125, received from DHCP again. Next, to set the static IP address, we need to edit the DHCP CD configuration file. Once the file opens, scroll down. Here you will see a section labeled as Example Static IP Configuration. Paste the copied configuration at the end. Here I'll use 192.168.1.226 as a static IP. The next line is the default gateway, 192.168.1.254. The next line is for DNS servers. Now we will configure a static IP address for the wireless LAN 0 interface. Copy the configuration we just edited for Ethernet 0 interface. Paste it directly below the line. Change the interface name from Ethernet 0 to wireless LAN 0. Also change the IP address to any preferred address in your network. Now the editing is complete. We will save this file. Now we need to restart the networking service or reboot the Raspberry Pi to apply the changes. To restart the network service, if you prefer to reboot, type sudo reboot. After the reboot, we will verify that the static IP is applied to both the interfaces. Open the terminal and type IP space A. Now you should see only the static IP assigned to your network interface. In the output, we can see the IP address for Ethernet 0 interface as 192.168.1.226. Similarly, under the wireless LAN 0 interface, the IP address is 192.168.1.126. This confirms that the static IP address for both the interfaces has been configured successfully.